Hello, good morning, and welcome to session number 3. So we started recently introduction part only. Even if you come to previous 2 sessions, very simple. First one is hi, good morning. The first one is we completed the first one introduction. Just what is a PowerShell? Session number 1 information. What is a PowerShell? And what are the different versions? And especially before 5.1 and after 5.1. Nothing but up to 5.1, PowerShell is dependent on Windows operating system. Once they announced it as an open source, they in the sense Microsoft, we can use the PowerShell on any operating system or any platform like Linux, Mac OS, we can use the PowerShell. So with the help of the one framework that is a .NET Core. So complete information in the session number 1. And session number 2, we started the console. Console means just if you come to start button, type PowerShell. Directly you can click on. No need any admin. Normal also fine. Why? Because we are searching. So console we started PowerShell console. This one console. Basically you will get in the blue color screen. If you go to the top of this one, PowerShell, Windows PowerShell, right click. There is a properties available. Then you can change the color based on your requirement. And you can also change the font name. So up to you. That is, you can select based on your requirement. And in the yesterday session, we started a command, and basically PowerShell is a command line interface. PowerShell is a command line interface we are going to use for the automation also. Command line interface only works with commands, not based on the GUI mode. It works with only commands. CLI is more powerful than GUI. Remember this point. Everyone refer the CLI in the organizations, but we are very familiar to GUI. Right click, left click, double click. That is very familiar, easy to use that. But in the organization, you will get CLI only most of the time. Even if you are working on Linux server, 100% you will get CLI only. There is no other option. And when it is a CLI which required commands. And these commands are classified as mainly 4 types in the PowerShell. Commands only, again subdivision. Commands are classified as a mainly 4 types. That is a commandlet. I'm writing as a cmdlet, but pronouncing as a commandlet, alias, sorry, my mistake, spelling mistake. Commandlet, but writing as commandlet, and alias, functions, and last one is a application, nothing but .exe files. There are total 4 types of subcategories are available. But hardcore is inside of that is commandlet only. Without that, there is no command. Instead of calling, my word it is, instead of calling command, PowerShell works with commandlets. That is a correct word. 99% you are going to work with commandlet only. And aliases purely depends on the commandlet. Functions also purely depends on the commandlet only. Without commandlet, there is no existence of the aliases and functions. So that's why we started in the last session commandlet approach. And everything is a .NET object. You need to remember here, either .NET Frame or .NET Core. Upon that only your PowerShell commands will work. If it is a 5.0 version, it is going to use .NET Framework. Above 5.1, it will use .NET Core to run the commands on the operating system. That's why in PowerShell, every command, or even I'm changing my definition, you can say every command it is a .NET object. .NET object means if you are executing a code, don't get any confused. If you are executing a code, one command you are executing. The command internally developed by .NET. The internal one really not required. How they developed? We are not programmers. We are coming for here automation. How they written .NET code, like dozens of code, what that is not required for us. It is not required for us. It is a .NET object. And we know one more point, it containing a syntax, a form of verb-noun. Verb-noun. Verb-noun syntax of the commandlet. So verb indicates action here. Verb indicates action, what it does. So generally some recommended are example, get, create, update, new, delete, remove. All these are the examples for the verb. Action. Verb means action. And come to second part, noun means name of the item. Name, like a person name. But here it is technical, na? That's why you need to give like a service, log, CSV, user, group, yes, server. These are the names of the nouns. If you join example, what is the syntax? Verb for noun. Take one verb, get, here log, get service, update CSV, new user. Just randomly I'm writing here some commands. So this is a information about the commandlet. And biggest point is PowerShell is a case insensitive. I mean, PowerShell is not a case sensitive. Means here small a, capital A, both are same only. There is no difference inside of that. Both are same only. Then after, this is a secondary information I'm talking now. And when you get a question means what is the target we selected? Now target of this course mainly two things. First thing is whatever the GUI executed one, I want to execute from the CLI. GUI means example, this is a one. I am creating one file. Inside of the file, I am writing one content. Hi, good morning. The same activity I want to achieve by using the CLI. That is a target number one. Target number two, automation. Without human interface, once if you set up, then how that is going to execute every day or maybe sequence that at equal intervals. So the first one for the GUI to CLI. So we selected first question, how to get, first we selected one question, how to get process information. Process information means .exe file. So process information, this is a question I have taken in the last session. Even if you want to see in the GUI, go to the taskbar, task manager, you can see processes is there here, running .exe files in your Windows. So what is a suitable keyword? What is a suitable keyword or searching keyword? Mostly you have to take noun point only. What is a suitable keyword I can select here from this point? Process. Always your searching keyword you need to pick up from the
process.
Sorry, so you have to take in the form of singular.
Yes.
Singular only. Then we started our course from yesterday, only two commands. The first one is a get command. And second one is I said, but I didn't use this one in the last session. I written two commands we are going to use to start this journey. Then after we launched the PowerShell console, when you launch the PowerShell console like my screen, you will get this window. You will get this window. When you launch the PowerShell console, you will get console. You will get this type of window. Okay, then after getting this window, what is the next action we did? What is the next action we did? After getting this window,
Run as
get
administration
command prompt.
command.
At command prompt. If you run only get command, what it will give to you?
List of all
Listed
the
out
commands.
the commands.
Yes, list of all commands which are available in your machine. But I want almost you have. Okay, I have. I think almost 88,000 commands are available. If you see, if you run get command, you can write in any case. You will get the result. So it is giving to you so many commands. But inside of that, which one will assist or helpful to you to get this information? That is a question. You have so many commands are there on the screen. In my machine or maybe your machine. We have so many commands are there. So which command will helpful to you inside of that? We don't know. So I have a 8,000. Maybe you have a 1,700. Maybe 1,000. Count is doesn't matter here. The count is a number depending on your utilization of with different modules, it will change. So then after, I want to find out the commands which are related to my task. For that, so take your searching keyword. My searching keyword is here, process. Maybe you are picking the proper word, maybe may not. Everyone may not select process, but chances only. So then you have to write get command. In the wildcard symbols, you have to write the key, your searching keyword without spaces. And remember, all time you have to take the searching keyword in the singular format only. Most of the time, singular format only. And you will get so many results inside of that. Now you can see get command, one space you have to give, process. See, now we are getting so many results, but our focus on out of all, there are different type of commands are available, but our target is only
Get.
commandlet, only commandlet, only commandlet, this box. So especially these are commandlet names. So I want to get that information. My question, if you come back, I want to get. Get means retrieving. What is a suitable verb name? Verb name?
Get process.
Get process. These three are valid only, looks like. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes.
So these three looks like same only. Now it is a time to identify which is suitable out of these three. So it is just like a process only. Maybe we are wrong also, but 99% we are right. Why? Because your required command in the GUI, I mean graphical user interface, same like in the CLI name also almost same. Maybe few of the services like patches here we can call as a hot fix. Some names are different, but maximum GUI and CLI names are same only. Now we need to understand these how to get the documentation in today's session. That is a plan. Simply this is session 1 and session 2. Session 1 only one word only or just introduction. It's a session 2 information. Now, yes, again I am taking new machine instead of taking my old existing machine. I am taking a new machine and I am launching PowerShell console. Just give me a few seconds. I am going to increase the font size. Great. This is my console. Okay, same searching process again I am doing get command. If I execute this command, it will list out all available commands in my machine. Okay, just don't think about whatever I'm typing from this character. Okay, almost I have 16, 14 commands. It's my new machine, guys, not the old machine. It's a completely new machine. Now get command, process. Yes, we did up to this point. Now I want to know about this one, second one, third one. Yes, our target is first commandlet. Inside of the commandlet, one second, even if I'm selecting vertically, it is not supporting vertical selection. No, there is a one option is there, vertical selection purpose. Wrapping. Okay, now you can see this is a commandlets. And here you have a commandlets. Based on my question, get is the correct one. So now the question, next question is, I want to get more information about this. I want to get more information about this commandlet. So for that, we need to depending on the one more commandlet. Already you know the commandlet. You know the commandlet, but how to, question number one, you have a 3 commandlets, but you don't know what it does. For your requirement is getting the process information, but you have a 3 commandlets, but you don't know how to use it. Second question. First question is what it is. So how to get documentation or help of the given commandlet? This is a question. That is possible with help of the your second alphabet in the PowerShell. Second alphabet in the PowerShell means simple. That is a get-help. At PowerShell prompt, guys, observe PowerShell prompt, PS, seed, right? For example, users. I am providing some username Nancy. So this is a username. Okay, maybe this name is different in your point. Just to type a word get-help, your first command. What is the first command? Which command information you want to know initially?
Yes.
Process.
Get dash process.
Get-process. One space you have to give, one space. Guys, one problem we are going to face here. When you type in this way, please don't execute this one. Please listen few seconds. When you execute, you may get out of 3 outputs. Out of these 3, first one is it will prompt you for update. It will ask you yes for update, no for no, like that, no for n, like that. Otherwise, this is scenario number 1. Scenario number 2 is you may get a incomplete description. Incomplete description means information. Maybe I will write some side headings. If these side headings are available, it is a proper one. Third one, first one, you will get a prompt. Maybe you will get an incomplete description. And third one, you will get a proper output. How can you say proper output? Correct output. How can you say correct output? You will get a name, your commandlet name, like synopsis, some one-line information, and syntax. Please wait. Description. Description should not be empty. You have some information here, a detailed information. This should not be empty. And related links and some information, remarks. If you have these 6 side headings, it is an updated document. Otherwise, something like name, alias, description is empty. Okay, if you have only 3, this is an incomplete description. Guys, please confirm it. Which one you are getting out of these 3 whenever you are executing get-help? Prompt, okay.
Current like entire output I'm getting.
Entire output, okay. I think already you are familiar with PowerShell.
Getting entire output, man.
Entire output. Okay, those who are getting entire output already they did the update.
I have installed PowerShell on my Mac, so recently,
Okay.
like up
Yes.
yesterday. So that's why maybe.
Guys, I'm trying to run the same command, get -help. I am also getting the prompt. So if you press enter, it is going to update. What is the meaning of that? You can see you are trying to run this one, but PowerShell suggesting update-help commandlet you have to run. Otherwise, press capital Y or Y, it is going to update. See, commanded download the most current help files. Guys, here everything is a part of module only. I mean, your PowerShell command you're calling, but PowerShell commands are packed inside of one suitcase, one box. Box inside command, commandlet, alias, functions. Okay, command means all these will come. That we are calling as a one box inside. If you put that, you can call as a module, like Azure module, AWS module, like that. Everything available as a one module only, the meaning. So we have to get the latest update. For example, if I'm saying no, I'm saying no, I'm saying no. If you see that one, I'm getting incomplete or not, name is there, syntax is there, alias is there, remarks is there. But I written here almost. Manjuna, please keep on mute. I have a total 6 editings are there. This is a incomplete. So guys, if you are getting prompt, please press Ctrl C. Everyone, please press Ctrl C, Ctrl C. If you press the Ctrl C, it will be abnormal termination, stopping. Ctrl C, Ctrl plus C. Now please do this activity. If we are going to update this one, recommended one every 6 months, at least we need to update one time. So what is the update process? So simple, just follow that one. First thing, you have an internet connection. You have an internet connection for the update. Internet connection. Second one, admin permissions are required. So office laptop means it won't work. Admin permissions required. Then run a command update-help at console. With first of all, internet connection, admin console, and run a command. Guys, you will get 2 to 3 red color error messages. You don't worry about it. Same time, you will get a progress bar like 20% completed, 30%. Like that, you will get a progress bar also. So I'm going to run update-help. You can see now it is going to start the update process. Yes, that is the progress bar. Updating help for module. The pack now see started with alphabet A. Now B is going on. Like every module, it is going to update. By default, you have a 200 change modules are available. 1 or 2 will fail, especially PS read line, locker, config. These modules getting failed. The reason is PowerShell is not a case sensitive, but .NET is a case sensitive. Solution also required for that. It is not installing anything, just documentation it is providing to you.
Received failed to update help for the module config defender performance.
Yes, I said same thing only. 3 to 4 modules will be getting failed.
Okay.
The reason is they are written in the documentation. I mean, original word name in the .NET using in the PowerShell is different. Example, PS read line also you may have on the screen. Am I right?
PS.
Read line.
Yes.
So actually read line, L is in the .NET small letter, but here they given capital letter. So that are the small issues are there. We have to resolve them manually.
Okay.
Fine. Now same errors. I believe this is the one. Now this one. I said just now. Here small l.
Yes.
Here. But in the document capital. Opposite is there. Just opposite is there. Finally, we have 2 to 3 errors are there, but remaining is updated. So this is not everyday process, guys. Like suggested one is at least 6 months, at least in year 2 times or 3 times you need to update. That is recommended. Why? Because maybe any changes will come and it is going to update. I have a one question. From where these updates it was taken? Over the internet, yes, but where? They are definitely there is a one URL is available or not? It's over the internet only, but from where?
Microsoft.
PowerShell repository.
Yes, there is a PowerShell gallery. PowerShell gallery, their official website. From there, it is going to pick up. Sir, how my machine knows about PowerShell gallery URL? Or how my machine console, this blue color screen knows about my PowerShell console? There is a one command is there. We can set, by default, it's set as this location, but we can also change it if you have a Git repository. Yes. Some command. Don't think about the command name. I'm just showing to you the path. Is it right? Okay. Now come back. How can you confirm it? It is updated or not? How can you confirm it? Again, can I run same command? Yes. Can I run same command?
Yes.
Now, tell me, is there any change before to now? Name,
It's
synopsis.
not asking for
Yes, it is not asking anything. And previously side headings are different or not in the document. Like we have a name and alias syntax
Yeah,
only there.
right.
Now we have a whatever I written on the screen. You can see name, synopsis, syntax, description, related links, and remarks. You can observe here. Get process, name, synopsis, syntax. How many syntaxes are available? You can see how many lines are started with get process. This is a one space, two, and this is a one space, new line, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sets are there. 6 sets of syntaxes are available. Inside which one is suitable for us? Inside which is suitable for us? That is also one problem. Okay, at least we are getting some documentation. And observe the side headings, description, related links, and remarks. That's all. And now come to one by one. Name is nothing but your command name only. There is no another meaning, just your command name only. Synopsis is nothing but one line description or a short description of your command. Tell me what is the meaning of that? Gets the processes that are running on the local computer or remote computer. If you are unable to understand, then you can go to the actual description. That's why I'm calling this one as an actual description. Synopsis also description only, but that we can call as a short description. And this is a long description. If you are unable to understand that one, same word is there or not here also again. And its extension without parameter. A first time we are listening this word, parameters. And see, without parameters. So without parameter means we don't know. We know till today, commandlet only. Only commandlet we know. This commandlet gets all process on your local computer. Some different, we are unable to understand these words today, but some information we can able to see. And main one is syntaxes. Instead of description, after reading description, syntax is an important one. Guys, today I'm giving to you what is I think those who are completed PowerShell, they know the importance of these brackets. Yes, every bracket is important. Every bracket is important. Yes.
Yes.
Every bracket is important. Today we may not know. Generally, we are skipping them. Generally, why this is not in the square brackets, but leave it. First one, we are getting some information. But what is the reality? We have a one more commandlet also there. Na? When you search for something, there is a one more commandlet also there. Let's go to second one. Get process mitigation. How to get the documentation for this?
Get help, get process document.
Get -help, at least one space, and then your commandlet. Okay, read that one guys. Gets the current process mitigation settings. Setting something. Either from the registry, from a okay, these words also we cannot understand. But is it suitable to our .exe files? Is it suitable to our requirement?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this command, okay, but this output looks like not like about the running process. Am I right? I mean, looks
Yes.
like I need the running process information in the task manager. Where is the task manager? This information I want to get paint taskbar. This one I want to get on the screen. Maybe looks like not correct as per my requirement. Maybe only I'm saying that not exactly. And one more command also there. How to get the one more command? Take the one more command. Get host. Can I write get help?
Yes.
Now read that one. Get the process information about the PowerShell host. Looks like this is also correct.
It's not.
Yes. Now I am going to first, how can you confirm this one out of these three? Out of these three, which is correct means again you need to depend on the syntax. But what I'm doing, I will try to execute one by one without any condition. What is the first command? I'm executing directly. Now I'm trying to executing that command. First command, get, what is the command?
Process.
Get host something is there. Get host.
Just
Is it giving to you anything?
No, nothing.
no most.
And second one, PS host info. Okay, already this one completed. Mitigation. Okay, it is giving to you some information. I'm using Control C, but it is not related to your
Running
services
process.
information. Yes, related to internal processes and information it is providing. And try to run third one also. What is the third one?
Get
Get
process.
process.
Guys, are you able to see some outputs? Example,
Yes.
Yes.
on the screen, you can take one application. One paint is available. Okay, check that one. Paint is available or not. In the last, you have a process names P. Paint is there. PowerShell is there. PowerShell tools.
MS Paint is.
MS Paint is there. Yes, this is a one. So this is a suitable one, but this is purely wrong approach. Sir, after you are finding three commands information by the get-help, again you are executing three. So after reading the documentation, you need to conclude which is the correct one. But we are unable to conclude for three command purpose. We went for the documentation and 3R I am executing on again blue color screen. But if you want to get that capability, definitely you have a good idea on the Windows command or graphical user interface. Or maybe day by day you are going to increase this one. Okay, this is a complete process for one command. Let's take one more command. Question number two. Okay, I want to see all existing users information. This is my question. My question is clear.
Yes.
Tell me guys, from this one, what is a suitable searching keyword?
Users. Process.
Users. Okay. Any other?
Existing.
Local users.
Existing, maybe existing, no, just like a word. Your searching keyword related to noun.
Accounts, user accounts or something.
Excellent.
Information.
Accounts, information,
Local user.
local users. Yes, if we have ID on the Windows servers, we can call local users or not.
Yes.
But most of the time, we selected wrong keyword only. Tell me what I said. Your searching keyword should be in the
Singular. Yeah.
singular format only. Yes or no? This S and ES.
Yes.
We have to remove. Now have a look how to search that command. I'm using Control A. How to search?
Get command
command.
star
Get command space
star
Star.
while
user
User.
user.
119 or something.
Inside of this one, you need to focus on only commandlets. This is a area. And I want to get the existing users information only. I'm performing get.
Get
Tell
a
me how.
local user.
Get
Get
local user.
If I want to create a new local user,
New iPhone
local user.
New local user.
new local user is. These two are suitable, but how can we believe? Can I go with the documentation for this command?
Yes. Get help.
Get hyphen help. 1 second. Get hyphen help. Get hyphen help. Command, right?
Command.
Should give one space, otherwise error will come. Get local user. Now you have to read and give that answer. Short description. If you are unable to understand, go to the long description.
Get local users.
Local user. Even we will see the second one also. Okay. Okay. What is the meaning? Gets the language list for the current user account. Is it
This is
suitable?
not suitable. This
No.
is for knowing the languages.
Yes. But guys, without syntax help, I am going to execute, but you can run it. Can I run directly now? My virtual commandlet?
Yes.
Now you can see. Is it correct one?
Yes.
Even
Please.
how to get it in the GUI mode about these users? If you go to the
Create a control panel.
my PC or any one of them, yes, go to the manage.
Yes.
I'm looking for my computer image. Okay. Is it right? Both are? Both are correct?
Yes.
I will try to create one user in the GUI mode, X user 01. If I run this one, am I going to get the latest user created information?
Yes.
Yes, even here not updated. We need to do the refresh. Yes, no updated. I want to create a new user. What is it? How to search it? Again, you have to pick up the searching keyword from the noun only. Local user. What is a suitable command to create a new user?
New iPhone local user.
New iPhone local user.
Only one is there, but we don't know how to use it. Can I go to the documentation?
Yes.
Get hyphen help, you are commanded. But guys, please wait for some time. If you read, creates a local
User account.
user account. Here you have two syntaxes are available. Two syntaxes are available. Okay, by reading the synopsis, you'll be able to understand which is going to create a new account. Otherwise, you can read the long description or original description. The new local user commands creates a local user account. This commandlet creates a local user account. Okay, note it is 32 or 64 bit. Okay, fine, guys. Like previously, whatever the approach I followed, same approach I am going to use today also. Will it work? No. Is it working?
No.
No. So it is asking you something. Second time we are facing this word.
Parameters.
Parameter. Already just before of this command, also we faced the same word. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. I am going to, why? Because I'm using Control C. Why? Because I don't know why I should supply for the name value. Okay, maybe you are thinking username. Maybe you are directly giving that. Sir, you are creating a user. That's why you should provide a new user. But I don't know what is the name and why the name only coming on the screen. If you see the syntax, you can observe here somewhere. If you closely observe this document, somewhere you have a name. But why this is only prompting on the screen? Prompting on the screen, not like previous one. So I'm using Control C first of all. Control C. Control C. Wait. Yes. Control C means abnormal termination. Guys, please confirm it, everyone. Are you able to understand this process? Means step 1, pick up a searching keyword from GUI. Second second step is get command, your searching keyword. Third command, get-help. Fourth command, execution on the command later directly. These 4 steps are clear to everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So this is a common process for a 0 to 1 process, even not 0 to 100. If you're starting from 0, these 4 steps are important. But every command is not working like previous one. Example, this is a one. Every command is not working. I provided only 2 examples only to you guys, this process pointer. One is get process, local user only. But so many other things also available. You can search with event log file information also there. Otherwise, I want to search for groups. Definitely in every machine you have a groups. Please list out how to find out the groups. What is the step number 1?
Group, get command,
Get
star,
command,
space,
group,
star, groups, group,
group. Is there anything suitable to get the groups information?
get local group.
Get-local group.
So after observation, we can say this one. But even though we are going to see the documentation.
Yes.
Get-help and local group. See the short description, gets all local security groups. Okay, this command gets the local security groups in the security account manager. This command it gets default built-in groups. Okay,
Yes.
and security groups. Fine. Now detail information. Can I use directly now?
Yes.
Yes. Once I use, I am getting some groups information.
Which are the groups? Yes. Is there?
Same are available here also.
Yes.
So this is same process. Searching keyword. Searching keyword, maybe you may select wrong also, not every time correct. Local group, no, maybe wrong also. When you get wrong only, you will get the perfection. Okay, this is a common. Get command, your star symbol between your keyword. But what is the condition? While searching, you should not give any spaces between them. Are you getting my point? If you give space here, one star symbol after here, no, this is wrong. You will get your assumption completely wrong. Okay, without spaces, you need to pick up, you need to provide the keyword. This is clear, guys, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Second to just get-help. You can, you will get some result. Pick up the only commandlet. Again in the commandlet, based on your question, pick up the proper verb. Okay. The next question is, to understand this searching detail, we need to understand parameters. Very, very important topic. Total, we have 4, only I'm writing the names. So that is a positional parameters and default parameters are positional, or otherwise I will write in this way. Guys, this is the first time I'm adding the parameters part in the beginning. Previously, it is I covered in the functions area, but completely content is modified. You can see. So the first one is mandatory parameters, optional. This is a one section, and one more section, positional, position 0, index numbers, position 0, position 1, positional parameters 2, paired or named parameters. If we able to understand this one, hardly it is going to take 3 sessions to you, but with eye observation, your eye observation, guys, I will explain to you this one technically. I mean, what is the official document? Finally, with the help of the eye observation, with your eye observation, you are going to give that answers. Just give me exactly 3 hours, you are going to perfect in this topic. This is one of the main topic, that is the parameters. What is a parameter? That is, leave it. Just something, a word I defined, but what is that? I will cover in the next session. Fine. Tomorrow session is very, very important. Very, very important, guys. If you miss continuation 3 sessions, really you cannot work on any technology, which are mandatory to run a command, which parameter I should use. Even parameter is nothing but in the syntax part, just have a look. I'm just overview I'm giving. If you take help of any commandlet, in the syntax part, after commandlet name, anything starting with hyphen that you can call as a parameter. after commandlet name, anything prefix is hyphen is there that you can call as a parameter. How many parameters are there in this line?
One.
One. That is a name only. If you see here, anything starting with hyphen, that is a parameter. SID and one only one. So what it does, how to use it, we will see them in next session. Is it fine till now?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, guys. I am stopping. I need continuation session. And to understand the parameters only, it will take 30 minutes. Utilization is again secondary. Okay. Thank you. We will continue.
Sir, I have a question.
Yes, please.
Sir, yesterday in the assignment, you asked the first one start process, right? There is one thing called start process.
1 second, sir. Yes, you have one folder. Find it all. Start
Start
service.
service.
Sorry, start a service here.
Mhm.
So if we search with service, you're getting around 500, the list around 500, 499. I got something around 499 in my computer.
Better to search with this start. Start is not a noun, na? Generally.
No, but if I combine these two words, I'm getting 0.
Okay, start service is not there. But is there anything starting means can I take new? Suitable?
Okay.
Maybe. That's why your question, our searching keyword may not be correct. My question always not straightforward. Start service maybe that is like a new. Suitable or not?
Yes.
Yes.
Is there any way that we can search two words at a time?
Definitely. Once we go to the advanced section, there is a verb and noun area. I will cover to you. Definitely.
Okay. Okay, sir.
But presently, I want to create a good concentration on this topic. See, guys, if you attend only parameters, you will get a good confidence. You will not end up the training. Only 3 sessions regularly you can attend. Observe the change. Okay.
And
Thank you.
also that service, most of the service that is there in the output, it is starting with AZ service or something.
Not only that one, really, we have so many services are there, like EAW for last one, display name, if you observe in the output, display name. So many services we have. But you are correct.
Yeah.
Few of them is correct, starting with A to Z, everything is available. Even
But here HTML and JSON.
searching keyword only. What is a suitable command for the JSON?
Get command star
Get command
JSON.
JSON. Yeah.
2 are suitable. Only I'm asking command only. Next one, I think HTML.
HTML.
And next
Log.
question, log. Event log.
Log. You're getting so many logs. Like logic is also coming inside a log. So
Is log. Commandlet section. Again, these 3 are valid. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
But
sir.
if you have ID on Windows server, which one logs?
Event log.
Event log.
Event logs only. Now event log. But only I'm searching. Only if you give these 3 answers, your answer is correct. Okay. Out of that, I'm not asking what it does. Why? Because today only we executed get-help.
Correct.
Okay, guys. Now this is for today, and you will get small assignment today also. So due to another work, I sent to you late night only. I think 8 o'clock I forwarded to you. But today I will share to you related to small assignment. Guys, that will be recorded your answers and everything. Please send that answers also. Don't skip that one. It is very simple. It will take you 5 to 10 minutes only.
Okay.
Thank you. We will connect tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.